If you're constantly filling up with your car, maybe you're thinking about how to save some money on fuel. If you're constantly filling up every fortnight or week, it can not only be uncomfortable on your wallet, but also impacts your mindset. Well, in this video, we'll be showing you some of the top 10 tips on how to save fuel, which will not only save you money, but also be more friendly on the environment. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Number one on our list on how to save fuel is to make sure that you're on top of your car's maintenance. This is really important that you keep on top of everything so it's working effectively and efficiently. Make sure you schedule regular oil changes so that your car's fuel system is working correctly, and this will then reduce your fuel consumption too. Another top tip is to keep on top of your tyres. Make sure you're forever checking these to make sure that they're not underinflated or overinflated, as if any of this is present, that can also reduce your fuel consumption. Number three on our list is weight. Make sure that you take any unnecessary items out of your car, like that umbrella that you haven't used for weeks, or those walking boots that you've just kept in the boot. Make sure you take everything like that out of your car before you start a long journey. Otherwise, this will also affect your fuel consumption. Number four on our list is using cruise control. Using cruise control can drastically reduce your fuel consumption too, as it's much smoother, and it also means you're not accelerating as harshly. Using a steady, maintained speed really does help. Number five on our list is rush hour traffic. Now, this is something that everybody is not a fan of, and neither is your car. It's where it's going to waste the most fuel. So instead, try and set off half an hour earlier to beat the rush hour traffic, or if you're already stuck in it, try and find an alternative route, which will not only save fuel, but also save on your journey time. This also leads us on to number six, which is idling. The more the car idles, the more fuel it's wasting. So if you know that you're going to be stuck in a long queue, make sure to turn off your car to save fuel. Another top fuel saving tip is air conditioning. Now, this is something that lots of people forget about and often neglect, but it's so important as it can sap so much of your fuel, especially at high speeds. So make sure to use it sparingly and sensibly. Speeding is also on the list, and no, this isn't something you should be doing. You should actually avoid this at all costs, as it not only increases the risk of having an accident, but also increases your fuel consumption too. Driving at 70 miles an hour as opposed to 60 miles an hour can actually increase the consumption by up to 9%. And gear shifts is also something else that you need to keep an eye on too. Yes, gear shifts, as this can drastically impact your fuel efficiency. Make sure that you're driving in the right gear for the right speed and load, as shifting at the right time can actually decrease the consumption by up to 15%. And last but not least, number 10 on our list is plan your journey accordingly. Make sure that you've got everything planned out, like your stopovers, any alternative routes if you find some rush hour traffic, as this will all help you save fuel, money, and also reduce your carbon footprint. If you'd like to see all of these points, you can also find them in our blog. I'll leave a link down below in the description. But until then, please make sure to like and subscribe for more motoring content. Thank you for watching.